What's good, guys? Mikkel Bennett here, aka the Credit Bull, and in this video I want to talk to you guys about the power of credit and funding, right? And the things and the benefits that you can get and all the things and the benefits that come along with having good credit, right? So once you get through the stage of fixing and rebuilding your credit and rebuilding your credit score, you can then move into the stage of getting funding, right? And the stage of getting funding is basically just acquiring capital using OPM to invest into cash flowing assets, right? And there's so many things that you can invest into with just $6,000, $10,000, right? I've helped so many people get into like Navy Federal, and on the personal side, get anywhere up to $25,000, $26,000 in a personal credit card, right? And that's not even including loans and lines of credit. But on the business side, they'll go up to 15K. So now imagine being able to have 10 to 15K to invest into. You can do anything. You could start your rental car fleet. You could start a photo booth business like my wife did. She took her and her friend, they started a brand new business using the same exact strategies that we use for our business. They use, and they got funding for their business, right? They were able to get $6,000 to fund their photo booth business, right? So the photo booth only costs like $2,500, right? Where do you think the rest of the money is going to go? It's going to go into marketing and advertising, the Knot.com, WeddingWire.com. What's the other one? Angie's List, all of those, Craigslist, all of those directories and sites that you can advertise on that are going to make you get bookings, so that, let's say